How to get dark mode on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get dark mode on TikTok. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. And after that, I will need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. After we are in here, we need to click on this tribar symbol in the top right corner. And then click on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down just a little until you find the dark mode option and click on it. In here, as you can see, I have the light option on currently, but I'm going to change it to dark instead by clicking on it. And as you can see, my TikTok has now changed to dark mode instead. And if you want to go back, then click here once again. So this is how to get dark mode on TikTok. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video. Comment if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.